The weather is not great. Summit run and show. Check out the beautiful Northern Ireland countryside. Don't think Maud would have got down this road. Roger the Rally Fiesta. Knockninny Country House. Yeah, I think Kat is being employed. 3 Mk2 Escort rally cars. Pretty tidy crossflow setup. BDA, a lot of people's dream engine. Padraig's car, love this thing. When in Rome. The first Mordor that I've seen. Another Group 4 Mk2 Escort rally car. Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, this is my beautiful girlfriend Kat, and today you join us from the cockpit of Roger, Kat's plastic Ford Fiesta. We are currently on board our ferry that has taken us from Liverpool over to Belfast, and the ferry is just about to land in Belfast, and then the first priority will be to find somewhere to get some breakfast. Thank you. Breakfast of champions. Was it
cheesy flatbread? Yeah, bacon and cheese flatbread.
We have officially landed in Belfast. The weather is not great, which I hear is quite typical for this part of the world. So now our bellies are full of McDonald's, it's time for us to continue our journey. If you've been following my videos, you'll know that we're over here in Northern Ireland to attend an event called the Summit Run and Show, which is close to the border of Northern Ireland and Southern Ireland. I was invited over here by a guy called Padraig Murphy, so yeah, really looking forward to finally meeting him. Now, our hotel doesn't allow us to check in until 4 PM, but Padraig has just sent me a postcode, which I assume is his place, so we're gonna head there now. Don't think Maud would have got down this road. Roger the Rally Fiesta. Check out the beautiful Northern Ireland countryside. Alright, so we just met up with Padraig at his house and met his family as well. And his mate Pat was there, who has been organising the weekend's events along with Padraig. And Pat has got a drone, so I'm hoping to get some drone footage in some of the videos this weekend. I did also just have a little look at Padraig's Mk2 Escort. Really cool to see that in real life. Padraig and Pat were showing me the plans they've got for the run on the Sunday, and also telling me the plans for the parking and stuff at the show tomorrow. Yeah, those guys have been putting a lot of effort into this weekend's event. Here we are at Knockninny Country House, which is the location of the show tomorrow, but it's also where me and Kat are staying this weekend. This is the car park where the show is being held. Just had a little cheeky peek at some boats. There's a marina on this site, but it was private and we shouldn't have really gone in there, so I didn't want to wave my camera around there. Yeah, I think Kat is being employed to help mark out the lines for the cars for the show tomorrow. And it looks like I'm getting dragged away by Padraig to go and meet someone. Just met up with a couple of lads who have brought their Mk2 Escorts for the event this weekend. One of them you can see there. Check this thing out. Full Group 4 build, I assume. Got the Sibby spotlights on the front, proper rally arches, nice blue mini lights. This apparently has a BDA lump in it. Hopefully we'll get to look at that at some point this weekend. I'm not going to open the door without the guy giving me permission. Love the colour scheme on this thing. Awesome car. Check this thing out. Another Group 4 spec Mk2. This one's got the 6 spotlights on the front. Again, really cool colour scheme. Loving the sequential box. That's pucker. The owner just needs to fit the rear light. Had a bit of paintwork yesterday, but yeah, it was only a 2-minute job. Get a better look at the interior, seeing as the doors open. Yeah, 2 proper awesome machines, and just 2 of many that we're going to be seeing this weekend. Alright, so we're back at Padraig's place, and how good do these 2 cars look parked next to each other? The blue car that I just showed you is having the missing rear light fitted. But yeah, I want to have a quick walk around Padraig's car. Love this thing. Again, Group 4 spec, big spotlights on the front, gold mini light alloys. Got some quite comfortable Recaros in there. Padraig's car's running a Larry Pinto lump, but you know, we've got plenty of time to take a closer look at the cars this weekend. The rear light is now installed into the blue Mk2. Check out this boot setup. All the goodies, and it looks like it's dry sumped as well. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of effort has gone into planning this event. Here's the map for the run on the Sunday. Properly organised event. And now we have all 3 Mk2 Escort rally cars lined up next to each other, and they look absolutely amazing. The owner of the blue Mk2 Escort has just opened the bonnet, and we've got a pretty tidy crossflow setup running on the Gen V Heritage throttle bodies, and they're the throttle bodies that Gen V made that are supposed to look like side draft Webbers. Loving the alley rad as well. This engine was built by Ivanhoe. The white Mk2 Escort has got a BDA, a lot of people's dream engine, running on twin Webbers. Check the TLE exhaust manifold. This white Mk2 actually used to belong to Billy Coleman. He was a famous Irish rally driver back in the day. I'm sure loads of you would have heard of him. Inside the boot lid, you can see loads of signatures from famous rally drivers.
Billy, Jimmy McRae, James Coleman, Vincent Banner, Patrick Snyers, John Lyons. That should be David Sutton there, but I changed my own.
Oh, that's your name, yeah?
Yeah.
I like it. Right, so we're back at the hotel now, and Kat and Padraig's friend Pat have been drawing the lines out, but they ran out of paint. Now it's time for us to check into our hotel. Check this out for a hotel room. Way better than the ones we've had recently.
Yeah.
Very grand. No surprises who booked this one. This hotel is proper nice. Check out those chairs on the landing.
Just for me.
Queen Cat. When in Rome. See the sign guys putting this cool sign up earlier, and they also brought us something to put on Roger the Plastic Fiesta, which you'll see either later on or tomorrow. Roger the rally car. I think they've pretty much finished marking the lines out now. Another Group 4 Mk2 Escort rally car joining the party. This guy's got a lovely trailer as well. Look at that. Goals one day. Definitely glad I braved the rain to go out and check that Escort. Quality. Just took a little drive in Roger to the local Spar to pick up some snacks for the hotel room. Got some cash out of the cash machine. I thought I'd been ripped off. Weird money. And I'm driving because you shouldn't drink and drive because you spill too much. Back to the hotel, and we've got another Mk2 Escort to wave the camera at. The first Mordor that I've seen since I've been here. Looks like it's running on RS alloys or Capri laser alloys. Yeah, I really like the contrast between the brown vinyl roof and the brown and yellow decals against the beige paintwork. Super cool. Got a cheeky front spoiler on there and a pair of spotlights. Got an RS spoiler on it as well. Time for grub. Alright, so after another couple of Guinnesses, we're back up in our room, and I really need to get some editing done before I go to sleep tonight. But yeah, really looking forward to the car show tomorrow. There is a couple of more cars in the car park downstairs, mainly Vauxhalls, but yeah, it was too dark to bother filming them by the time I actually went out to the car park to have a look. But yeah, what you've seen today is just a snippet of what we're going to see tomorrow. The weather is going to be shabby, but yeah, I think all the rally boys won't mind and they'll still bring their cars out. So yeah, really looking forward to seeing all the cars at the show tomorrow. So I'm going to end this video here. If you did think it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe to keep up to date with all my future uploads, and check the links in the description to my social media and my website. I'll also leave my email address down there for anyone who wants to contact me. Massive thanks to each and every one of you for your continued support of my channel. But other than that, until next time, from me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat, thanks for watching.